Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to use the replace function in Excel. Here I've written 5 million in cell A3. We will replace 5M with 10B using the replace function. First, click on the cell where you want the result. Now type replace. Next, we need to provide 4 arguments. First, select the text where we want to make changes. I will select A3. Now type a comma and enter 1. This tells Excel to start replacing from the first character. Type another comma and enter 3. This means Excel will replace 3 characters. Remember, spaces are also counted as characters. Now type another comma and write 10B in quotation marks. Press enter and you will see 5 million change to 10 billion. If we edit the formula and change 10B to 10TR and remove the space, the result will change to 10 trillion. The replace function is very useful when you want to change specific parts of text based on their position. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos.